It's really interesting getting to learn a lot of things, and it's inspiring also. There are aspects that we're covering about, from putting yourself in front of others, and ethically behaving, and what are all the traits and the imperatives, and a lot of things that like your vision, your character, your relationship, and your behavior, which is your deep BHC, and your attribute 10 attributes. So different branches and different things which is getting interconnected. So we're learning a lot of things, and it is giving a different perspective to the leadership as such. And where the takeaway would be, how would I want to become, or I want to become a good servant leader.
Yes,
That is something that will be my takeaway from the session. Servant leadership as a leadership concept, I've not been introduced, or the terminology or the coining of servant leadership is new to it. Probably there are certain aspects which probably I might have been doing, but I'm able to associate it to the servant leadership. There are certain traits what I've been, as a leader or as a supervisor or whatever, I've been practicing a few things. Now I'm able to relate it to the servant leadership trait. And yes, the aspect of servant leadership and the complete path and everything is, because during one of our sessions, which Dr. Madana was referring to, he was talking about the servant, good examples of an organization which exhibits servant leadership, about Chick-fil-A, Google, and all that. So from that, see, when organizations of that magnitude is able to grow and establish, definitely if we start practicing it, we will definitely having our path is really looking to the higher side. We are progressing
going
to the
forward.
right direction. Immaterial of whatever it is, this is something as a human being, keeping it aside, apart from a leadership, when we look at self-reflection, this is something which actually everybody requires in the current generation and how things are moving. So I'll definitely want all my team members and everybody to participate and learn from here. I feel lucky that I got an opportunity to enroll, and I should thank UST for giving me this opportunity, and Dr. Madana for taking us through the session himself.